Most people get this wrong when trying to get HBO Max free with AT&T. They assume it is automatically included with every AT&T plan. But here's the truth no one tells you. Only specific AT&T plans qualify. And if you don't activate it correctly, you can miss the benefit completely. In this video, you will learn how to get HBO Max free with AT&T in 2026, how to check if your plan qualifies, and how to activate it step by step without any confusion. Let's get right into it. First, understand how this offer actually works. When Alex signs up for certain AT&T wireless or internet plans, HBO Max is sometimes included as a bundled streaming perk. But it is not always turned on automatically. You usually have to activate it through your AT&T account. Now here's where it gets interesting. Many users think they are not eligible when in reality they are just looking in the wrong place or skipping the activation step inside their account portal. But here's the problem most people face. They go directly to the HBO Max app and try to sign up there. That is the wrong step. If you do that, you might end up paying for a subscription you could have gotten for free. So step 1 is to log into your AT&T account. You can do this through the AT&T website or the My AT&T app. Make sure you are using the main account holder login, because streaming perks are controlled from there. Once you are inside, go to the My Benefits or Included with your plan section. Look carefully for HBO Max or Max, depending on how it is labeled in 2026. If your plan qualifies, you will see an option to activate it. Tap it and follow the instructions. AT&T will redirect you to HBO Max, where you either create a new account or link an existing one. Now in a minute, I'll show you the biggest mistake people make after activation that causes them to lose access or get billed accidentally. Make sure your AT&T plan actually includes the benefit. Not all plans qualify, especially older or discounted ones. If you recently changed your plan, double-check because eligibility can change. Also, if you already had a paid HBO Max subscription before, you may need to cancel it first. Otherwise, you could end up with duplicate billing or activation conflicts. Another important tip is to always confirm your billing status after activation. Even if it shows free access, check your payments section to ensure no charges are pending. So, to wrap it up, getting HBO Max free with AT&T in 2026 is all about having the right plan, activating it inside your AT&T account, and linking it properly without skipping steps. If this video helped you unlock HBO Max for free, like the video, leave a comment with your AT&T plan, and subscribe for more simple guides that help you save money and get the most out of your subscriptions.